What's going on, and welcome to a new episode of Copilot Prompt of the Week. This week we're going to step away from graph grounded Copilot and we're going to jump into one of my favorite Microsoft apps, Microsoft Loop. Now in Loop we're working together with the team to create a guide on how to deploy Microsoft Teams. And for that we're going to need the Powershell module for Microsoft Teams. So let's see if Copilot in Loop can help us to write that guide. So in Loop we're going to hit /, then we're going to select Copilot. And in this field right here, we're going to ask Copilot to create a guide to install the Microsoft Teams PowerShell module and also add the code. And as you can see, it is writing the guide for us. Now what's great about Microsoft Loop is that it also has these code blocks. So it's easy to copy the code with one click of a button and then paste it straight into PowerShell. That's the Copilot Prompt of the Week. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you again next week.